Hi, I'm Phil McCarthy, Managing Director of PPM Locksmiths Ltd. Established in 1990, we specialise in keys, grills, safe removing and can also supply and install.
Hello, my name's Andrew Davis and I'm the manager of PPM Locksmiths. The shop itself is based in Cardiff city centre, and this is the starting point for all our engineers who attend properties throughout South Wales. Many of our staff are members of the British Locksmiths Institute, and as a company we are approved by the Master Locksmiths Association, the highest qualification that is granted. One of the things that we stand for is being at the forefront of what's going on in the security business. We like to make sure that we know exactly what is available for our customers so that we can do the best job possible. Also, we can offer exclusive lock systems. That means that you can protect your key by restricting the cutting of the key, and you, as the customer, control that key cutting.
With clients throughout South Wales, no job is too big or too small.
They provided professional security service for us and a complete security service. Not just locks, but safes, digital locks and the whole package. I'd recommend PPM Locksmiths to anybody, and indeed have on many occasions.
Here at PPM Locksmiths, it's not about price, it's about being secure.
If you would like to find out more about the services we offer, please call us today.